Understanding stock market dynamics. Stock prices change every day, just like the weather. Keep your eyes on those green and red arrows. Wondering why your stocks rise or fall? It's all about profits, news, and the economy, three key players in stock pricing. Good news means prices go up, while bad news, well, you guessed it, can bring them down. It's a rollercoaster ride. It's not just numbers. Emotions play a huge role too. Fear and greed can send markets soaring or crashing. In the long run, good companies tend to grow. Think of those big brands. We're talking about stability. Patience is key. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Think years, not days. Investing always comes with risks. Just like crossing the street, you need to look both ways. Prices don't always go up. Sometimes they drop, and that's just part of the game. A rule of thumb: don't invest money you'll need soon. That cash is your safety net. Diversifying your investments is like putting your eggs in different baskets. Smart move. More stocks mean less risk. Think of it like sharing your pizza. Everyone gets a slice. ETFs make diversification easy. Imagine a basket filled with various stocks. It's a no-brainer. Many investors lean towards index funds for safety. They're the comfy couch of investments. Smart risks help build long-term wealth. Think of your money as a plant that needs to grow. Ready to dive in? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. It's your entry ticket to investing. Stick with trusted apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or ETRADE. They're known for a reason. Next, link your bank account. It's like setting up a direct line to your wallet. Now, it's time to search for a stock or ETF. Your first step into the market awaits. Thinking about starting small? You can buy fractional shares. It's a piece of the pie. Believe it or not, you can start with just $10. Yes, folks, that's all it takes to begin. Set up Auto Invest every month. It's like putting your savings on autopilot. Reinvest your dividends to grow your wealth faster. Let your profits work for you. Check your portfolio every month. It's your financial journey. Stay informed. And last but not least, don't panic daily. Stocks can be a wild ride, but keep calm.